My Sony ZV-1 is here, and I thought that it would be a good idea for me to do a comparison footage with the ZV-1 and the cameras that I have, which are the Sony A7 Mark III and the Osmo Pocket. Now, all three cameras are very different, but all three are very capable of producing great videos. So I thought that it would be interesting for those who are in the market looking for a video to buy for their hobby or for capturing memories. Here are clips from the three cameras in the same lighting. As you can see, all three render colors differently, and I look really different in each camera, so I'll let you be the judge which one you like better. The color profile has been set to standard for the Sonys, and for the Osmo Pocket, I'm afraid I do not know how to change the color profiles. Let's see how they fare in focusing. The ZV-1 did the best, and for the Osmo Pocket there was not much out of focus, so everything was in focus, and the A7 Mark III was the slowest. So let me share my thoughts on all three cameras. Let's start with the A7 Mark III. I think it has great image quality, awesome dynamic range, and I really love the dials for photography because I can change the settings easily. I love it for taking photos of the kids. However, I find that it is quite bulky and heavy for bringing out. Even though for a full frame mirrorless camera, it is actually considered quite compact. If you wish to take videos of yourself, it doesn't have a flip out screen, which is quite inconvenient. For example, when I was trying to make this video, I had to refilm it a few times because the first time the color rendition was off because of my profile settings, and the second time everything was out of focus. So it's really something that is up to you whether you have the patience to check your videos every time, or do you prefer the convenience of seeing yourself whilst you are filming. However, if you do not plan to use it to film videos of yourself talking like what I'm doing now, then it is a great camera because you can get such awesome lenses for it. Now, about the Osmo Pocket. If you plan to travel and you'll be doing a lot of walking and or taking rides, then the Osmo Pocket is a great choice because it is very small and it has a great gimbal that makes sure that the videos are very stable. So you will love it if you are doing such activities. What I dislike about it is its small display, which makes it really hard for me to see what is in frame and what is not. So in order for you to be able to see clearly what you are filming, you will have to connect that to your phone. And that is something that I find to be quite troublesome because I have to keep plugging it in and out because I would like to use my phone in between shots, right? Also, it has been almost a year now of owning it, and the battery life just keeps getting shorter and shorter. It now takes about 50% of the battery life if I were to do a 15 to 20 minute video, especially when the Osmo Pocket is connected to the phone, it drains even faster. I am not sure what's going to happen when the battery runs out and goes completely flat or becomes so short that it is not usable anymore, because you cannot change the battery on the Osmo Pocket. Unlike the other cameras, they all have replaceable batteries, so you don't have to worry about that. Now for the ZV-1. Well, it's a new camera to me and I've not used it much. However, the ultra slow motion has been a great hit with the boys. Also, after using it for a while, I still feel that I do not like using compact cameras for photography. I still love my dials like those on my A7 Mark III. So unless you like to take photos in auto mode, then you probably will have no problem with the ZV-1 being your photography camera and your video camera. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and if you have any questions about any of the cameras, please feel free to leave them in the comments below and I will try my best to answer them. Bye!